Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi.
Question here. In a two-digit number, its units digit is 2 more than its tens digit. If sum of this number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is 88, find the number. So let us assume unit digit is x, and since its unit digit is 2 more than its tens digit, therefore tens place digit is equal to x minus 2 according to question. Now we are also given that sum of this number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits. That means now to obtain a number from unit and tens place digits, what we can do? 10 multiplied by tens place digit plus units place digit. That's equal to number. So what we'll do, we'll simply do this. 10 multiplied by x minus 2 plus x is our original number. And then the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits will be 10 multiplied by x plus x minus 2. This will be reverse number. We are given that sum of these two numbers is 88. Original number plus reverse number is equal to 88 according to question. So what we have, 10 into x minus 2 plus x plus 10x plus x minus 2 equal to 88. So let's see. So this will be 10x minus 20 plus x plus 10x plus x minus 2 equal to 88. Now let's combine all the x terms. So 10x plus x is 11. Again 10x plus x is 11. So we get 11 plus 11 is 22x minus 22 equal to 88. Now all of this can be divided by 22. Dividing equation by 22, we get x minus 1 equal to 4. So what we get, x equal to 5. So one units place digit is 5. So what we get, tens place digit equal to x minus 2 equal to 3. This is units place digit. Therefore we have to find the number. Therefore required number is equal to 10 into x minus 2 plus x. So x minus 2 is 3. So 10 into 3 plus 5, which is equal to 30 plus 5, which is equal to 35. So required number is 35. So let's look at the options. Yes, answer is option D, 35.